Encyclopedia of Tribes in Odisha. Encyclopedia of Tribes in Odisha was released by Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. Key facts. The encyclopedia was published by Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Research and Training Institute, SCSTRTI, and Odisha State Tribal Museum. It has 418 research articles focusing on tribal communities, including 13 particularly vulnerable groups. This 3,800-page scholarly book came as a result of research contributions from numerous scholars and eminent anthropologists. The purpose of this book is to preserve the rapidly changing cultural identity of tribal communities in the state. It brings together both published and unpublished data regarding the tribes. Tribes in Odisha. Tribal population account for 22.85% of Odisha's total population. This state has the most diverse tribal communities in India. It hosts 62 tribes. Linguistic or dialectical affinity, sex composition, literary levels. In 2018, the state government unveiled a tribal atlas having 60 plates of maps featuring the distributional aspects of the Odisha's tribal population, ecological settings of the tribal habitats, and the tribe's socio-cultural characteristics like. About SCSTRTI. SCSTRTI is the oldest tribal research institute in India. It was established as the Tribal Research Bureau (TRB) in 1952, and was later renamed as Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Research and Training Institute (SCSTRTI) in 1994. It has been consistently publishing its 61-year-old research journal titled Adivasi. The main purpose of SCSTRTI